Zeno Education Society, redefining excellence.
Friends, myself Pratiksha Anandgiri. I am from Zee Polytechnic Pune in Mechanical Engineering, Division D, roll number 8. Group details. In this project, in my group members are Randive, Atharva Anil, Sagat Rohan Rajendra, Tamde Vaibhav Shishikant, Shaikya Aditya Abbas Sahib. Project file on chemistry. Determination of the dosage of bleaching required for fertilization of different sample of water. Section 2021 submitted to Dipali Dixit ma'am, submitted by me. Content: Introduction, General Method Use, Theory, Requirement, Procedure, Observation Table, Calculation, Result, Conclusion. Definition: Water sampling, the process of taking portion of water for analysis or other testing. For example, drinking water to check that it complex with revolvent water quality standard, or river water to check for pollutant, or bathing water to check it is safe for bathing, or intersafe water in breeding. To identify it. Introduction. Water is major constituent of all living beings. Water necessary to substance all type of life. Water used for drinking process by human beings should fulfill the following conditions. First, it should be colorless. Second, it should be not have any smell. Third, it should be contain any harmful dissolved salts such as introduction mercury, sulfate salts. Fourth, it should be contain any living organisms such as algae, fungi, bacteria, etc. General method of fertilizing water. There are many methods fertilizing water, but the best one which gives sample water, which is totally free from games. Sometimes potassium permanganate is used for disinfect water, but it's not drinking as it given red color, and excess of it is harmful for health. We use dissolving water, so I can't be used in large scale. Another method for disinfection is by simple boiling the water for about 15 minutes, but this powder, the chemical action bleaching powder on bacteria is due to chlorine, which become available when it is added to water. Theory objective. Our object of this project to determine the amount of bleaching powder required for fertilization to give sample water. So certain steps are taken under context as follows. 1. No mass of given sample of bleaching powder is dissolved in water to prepare solution of non-fertilization. This solution contains dissolved chlorine liberated by the action of bleaching powder with water. CaCl2 H2O, CaOH2 plus Cl2. Second, the amount of chlorine present in the above solution with excess of 10% potassium iodine solution with equivalent amount iodine is liberated. The iodine this liberated is then estimated by treatment agent as a standard solution of sodium thiazolate using such solution in indicator. Cl2 plus 2Kl, 2KCl plus Cl2, Cl2 plus 2Na, 2Na2SCO3, Na2, S4O plus 2NLA. Requirement for the experimental determination required are as follows. Apparatus: bleaching powder 5 gram, Na2SO4 12.4 gram, Ki 25 gram, different sample of water, distilled water, soluble such 1 gram, indicated such solution. Chemical: burette, titration flask, 500 ml measuring flask, 100 ml graduated cylinder, 215 ml measuring flask, 1 inch measuring flask, glass steel, glass wool. Procedure: First, if sampling the body of running water, point the mouth of bag upstream and your hand downstream, avoid contamination. Second, if sampling from a water faucet, run faucet for 1 minute before obtain sample. Third, rise in bag twice with sample water period filling and closing. Fourth, Filling bag as full possible, help filling the bottle level for room for oxygen, which will promote degradation of your sample. Collect data such as temperature and pH which affect the solubility of many items. Observation table. Titration 1. Value of distilled water taken 100 ml. Value of bleaching powder solution taken 20 ml. Value of KI solution added 20 ml. Burette reading. Initial final value of use. First 0.2 ml, 0.9 ml, 7.7 ml. Second 0.9 ml, 16.6 ml, 7.7 ml. Third 16.6 ml, 24.0 ml, 7.7 ml. Observation table 2. Same procedure. Titration 2. Value of water sample I taken 100 ml. Value of bleaching powder solution added 20 ml. Value of KI solution added 20 ml. During reading. Initial final value use. First 10.1 ml, 16.2 ml, 6.1 ml. Second 16.2 ml, 22.3 ml, 6.1 ml. Then third 22.3 ml, 28.4 ml, 6.1 ml. Then observation table 3, titration 3. Value of water sample I taken 100 ml. Value of bleaching powder solution added 20 ml. Value of KI solution added 20 ml. During reading. Initial final value of use. First 16.1 ml, 21.6 ml, 5.5 ml. Then second 21.1 ml, 27.1 ml, 5.5 ml. Then third 21.1 ml, 32.6 ml, 5.5 ml. Conclusion. Water sample 1. Bisalary water. Amount of bleaching powder used to disinfect 100 ml of water samples is equal to 7.7 minus 6.1, 1 of 0.2 n of Na2S2O3 solution. 1 ml of bleaching powder solution contain bleaching powder is equal to 5 by 500 is equal to 0.01 gm. 20 ml of bleaching powder solution is equal to 7.7 ml, 0.2 n Na2S2O3. Solution 1 ml of 0.1 n Na2S2O3 solution is equal to 20 by 7.7 ml of bleaching powder solution. Value of bleaching powder solution required to disinfect 100 ml water sample 1 is equal to 1.6 into 20 by 7.7 ml, 1.6 into 20 by 7.7 ml. Bleaching powder solution is equal to say 1.6 into 20 into 0.1 by 7.7. Then final answer is 0.156. Result. Amount of the given sample of bleaching powder required to disinfect 1 liter of water sample 1 is equal to 0.4156. Sample 2 is equal to 0.6493. Sample 3 is equal to 0.5714. Thus we get the amount required for disinfection, and bleaching powder is taken less than the amount water will remain impure, and if taken is excess, then this will also harmful as will contain chlorine. The result shows that the sample 2 is the impure water as the amount of bleaching powder required is maximum, and sample 1 is less impure than other as the bleaching powder used in minimum. The table also shows the different. Titration 3 has minimum regarding because of impure, and titration 1 has minimum regarding become the sample was decimal. Thank you.
Zeal Education Society. redefining excellence.